Okay, the first measure of analysis that we are going to use in this presentation is the liquidity. And liquidity is just the computation that is used to measure a company's ability to pay its short-term debts. So the first item that we are going to look into under the liquidity is the current ratio. And upon analyzing these two companies, Aeon and Paxson, we come to the conclusion that Aeon has a current ratio of 0.45 and Paxson has a current ratio of 1.30. These results were reached by dividing the current assets by the current liabilities of both companies. Here we can see that the current ratio for Paxson is higher than the current ratio of Aeon, which indicates that Paxson is in a better position to meet its short-term obligation. However, it is not uncommon to have lower current ratio in industries that have high turnover rate. So maybe some Aeon's profit is not even recorded yet. It is possible that despite its low current ratio, it can still meet its obligation when due. Further analysis into the two companies for their solvency and profitability ratios is important to reach a final decision. So the second ratio under the liquidity is quick ratio, also known as acid test ratio, and it analyzes how well a company can meet its short-term financial obligation with its most liquid assets. This is very important, with its most liquid assets. For this reason, the ratio excludes inventories from current assets. So the higher the quick ratio, the better the company's ability to meet its obligation. So the analysis of these two companies, Aeon and Paxson, shows us that Aeon has 0.17 while Paxson has 1.18 upon the analysis of their quick ratio. How do we arrive at these figures? We arrived by subtracting inventories from current assets and dividing that by current liabilities, or simply current assets minus inventories all over current liabilities. The quick ratio of Paxson is again higher than that of Aeon, but further analysis into other measures is needed to make a wise decision.